everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planting brassica. What is brassica? The brassica family is made up of broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower and kale. Spade, and this is the row that we're planting the brassicas on. This is the row here. It is mixed with manure to help the plants grow. This is a brassica. It has been grown from seed. It has been potted on from a smaller tray and now it is ready to plant. So when you're taking it out of the pot, don't squeeze hard by the stem. Push the bottom of it like this. Yeah. And then you put it in. Fill it up with dirt like that. And push it hard down. Don't be pushing it by the stem. So they should be roughly 60 centimeters away or 2 foot. Once they're planted in the ground, it's very important to water them well. Remember to like and subscribe for the next video.